Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the Customize Fields option and the sort function within the Leads app in KEBS. The columns displayed within the Leads app can be toggled on and off and rearranged using the Customize option. The user can rearrange the columns both within the Customize option as well as directly in the landing page. The values within these columns can be sorted in ascending and descending order by either clicking the button next to the column in the landing page or by selecting the Sort tab present within the Filters option. This is how field alterations and sorting works within the Leads app. Thank you for watching.